Guinevere had green eyes like yours, milady, like yours. When she'd walk down through the garden in the morning after it rained, peacocks wandered aimlessly underneath an orange tree. Why can't she see me? Guinevere drew pentagrams like yours, milady, like yours. Late at night when she thought that no one was watching at all, on the wall, she shall be free. As she turned her gaze down the slope to the harbor where I lay, anchored such a short day. Guinevere had golden hair like yours, milady, like yours, streaming out when we'd ride through the warm wind down by the bay. Yesterday, seagulls circle endlessly and sing in silent harmony. We both shall be free. All along the lee shore, shells lie scattered in the sand, winking up like shining eyes at me. From the sea, here is one like sunrise. It's older than you know. it's still just lying there with some careless way. Forgot it long ago. And I awoke this morning. I dove beneath my floating home, down below her graceful side in the turning tide, to watch the sea fish roam. There I heard a story from the sailors of the Sandra Marie. There's another island 8 days run away from here. It's empty and free. From here to Venezuela, there's nothing more to see than 100,000 islands flung like jewels upon the sea. For you and me. Sunset smells of dinner. The women are calling it meat in my tales. But perhaps I'll see you the next quiet place. I furl my sails. Sat starry-eyed. We were satisfied. And I remember misinformation followed us like a plague. Nobody knew from time to time if the plans were changed. If the plans were changed. You can beat us with wires. You can beat us with chains. You can run out your rules, but you know you can't outrun a history train. I seen a glorious day. I'm gonna be up for a while. I'm gonna be up for a while. I'm gonna be up for a while.
And when you're out there without care, yeah, I was out of touch. But it wasn't because I didn't know enough. I just knew too much. Ooh. Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Possibly. I remember when I lost my mind. There's something so pleasant about that place. Even your emotions have an echo, so much space. Ooh. And when you're out there without care, was out of touch. But it wasn't because I didn't know enough. Just knew too much. That make me crazy. That make me crazy. That make me crazy. Love that you have in time of your life. Think twice. It's my only advice. Come on now. Who do you think you are? Ah, bless your soul. You really think you're in control? Well, I think you're crazy. I think you're crazy. I think you're crazy. Just like me. My heroes had the heart to lose their lives out on a limb. Oh, remember, thinking won't be life. Ever since I was little, ever since I was little, it looked like fun. No coincidence I've come. without care. Yeah, I was easy. Does that make me cry? Possibly.